Hey guys, welcome back. This is Little Fever here, and today we're back for a little bit of a shorter video. This one is going to be even shorter than normal because it's just going to be a very small layout update video, but this one being number 14, and today we're just going to overlook some of the little changes I've made over the layout for the past, month-ish kind of. And so starting off, I flattened some of the grass mats that weren't fully flattened when I first glued them down, and so that's what you're seeing right in front of you here. And so the weights are kind of on top of books to give a flat surface to get them all down. I use the same adhesive as I did earlier. I'll put an image up of it right now. And so it's a pretty simple spray adhesive, but you want to be careful when you're using spray adhesives like this to have a clear room because it is very toxic and you don't want to get like a high or get your nostrils irritated from the adhesive. And so you always want to be safe and have it properly ventilated. And you guys couldn't see it, but I had a fan running this entire time to keep the room ventilated. So that's one of the safety precautions. The other one is obviously don't get stuck to it. It's not terribly hard to get the glue off. You just have to wash it off fairly thoroughly. And then once you get everything lined up, just lay it down. And so I have the books underneath to give a flat surface, but then I have the weights to give more pressure needed. And I actually did use a DVR, one of our older ones that my family just had, and since it's a large flat surface I could sit it down easily, and it already had some weight to it. And so there were a few other minor changes, like I moved some of the cars around and things like that, but besides that nothing else has really changed in a while. But I just wanted to give a little bit of an update on the layout. And so now we've hit the end of this layout update video. I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching and making it this far, even in this short little video. If you liked it and enjoyed this, please consider subscribing. And thank you again. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye!